one thing, I was listening the representative of Aam Aadmi Party, Priyanka ji. I was amazed. This is the party which has said Sari Sansad chor hai. This is the party which has said that we will never enter into politics. This is the party which has came to power not within years, not within months, within weeks of formation by joining hands with whom? जिसके लिए दिल्ली में ऑटो पे पीछे लगाया था शीला दीक्षित जी की फोटो के साथ, बेईमान या ईमानदार. And then they subsequently wrote the letter and get the support of बेईमान. And she talked about 2006 when the conviction rate of CBI was very high. So I would like to ask, can she name a single political party other than Aam Aadmi Party, because that they are formed only in 2013, that whose leaders were not facing any charges of corruption investigated by CBI during 2006? I want an answer. You can name a single political party, whether it was Mulayam Singh Yadav ji, Samajwadi Party, BSP, RJD, DMK, Akali Dal or Congress. And this is the party who has listed that these are the most corrupt politicians of the country, in which they have named everybody from Lalu Prasad Yadav ji to A. Raja to Nitish to Sharad Pawar ji and etc. And now they are getting the letters in support of them. And this is the party who has said the moment there is an allegation, there should be resignation and investigation should follow. Now they say that even if they are in prison, they are Kattar Imandar. Now in Delhi they are taking an alibi that the ACB is not with them. I want to ask, for 1 year full term has gone in Punjab. How many corruption charges which you were leveling at the time against Sri Amrinder Singh, kitne utha diye bataiye bhai? Not even a single. So that shows, and rather than getting support from those politicians whom you yourself has depicted as the most corrupt politicians of the country when you entered into the politics, I think the sheer dichotomy and duplicity of the character which has been reflected by Aam Aadmi Party is unparalleled in Indian history, because they are the party who has leveled the allegation on the senior leaders and tendered an apology half a dozen times against Sri Arun Jaitley ji, against Sri Nitin Gadkari ji, Kapil Sibal ji, I think Vikramjit Singh Majithia also, Manish Tiwari also. तो आज भी कर रहे हैं, कल माफी मांगेंगे, आज कह रहे हैं कल बदल देंगे. वो टोपी थी ना, मुझे चाहिए जन लोकपाल, पूछिए पंजाब में बना दिया जन लोकपाल. वो टोपी तो अब जनता को पहना दी गई. तो आई थिंक नाउ इट इज बीन प्रूवन दैट दोज हु क्लेम टू बी द सेल्फ प्रोक्लेम्ड वन एंड ओनली द चेस्ट चैंपियन ऑफ करप्शन, एंटी करप्शन, नाउ दे हैव बिकम द मोस्ट, यू कैन से, मतलब उस ढंग का करप्शन किया है जो दुनिया में क्या देश में अद्भुत है. एक दारू के बदले में दूसरा बोतल फ्री. गजब का काम किया है पूरे देश में. क्या मॉरलिटी, क्या करप्शन, और किस ढंग की बात, कितना हल्ला मचाया था सेकेंड वेव में. साहब इतने लोगों की ऑक्सीजन कमी से डेथ हो गई, एंड दे कैन नॉट प्रोड्यूस अ सिंगल सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम देयर हॉस्पिटल्स विच वर अंडर देयर ओन गवर्नमेंट. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से दैट दीज आर द सेम पार्टीज which were facing corruption charges since 30 years. Sri Lalu Prasad Yadav ji has gone jail in 1997. Sri Narasimha Rao ji was convicted, former Prime Minister of the Congress Party, in 1999. And Mulayam Singh ji, Mayawati, A. Raja were facing charges, so many. तो आज कुछ नहीं बात है. All birds of same feather has flocked together, nothing but to save their corruption, and most of the parties to save their family.